my channel. Today I'm going to be showing how to do a Euphoria makeup look, so make sure to continue watching to see how I do it. So the first thing I'm going to do are my brows, and I'm just going to do them very lightly and hopefully they look okay. I'm kind of breaking out at the moment, so hopefully it still looks nice though. Setting everything with the MAC clear brow gel. The next thing I'm focusing on are the eyes, which is just the main thing. I kind of decided that I wanted to go for a kind of a red look. I'm going to be using Morphe palette, and it's basically got all the colours that I need. It's quite a neutral palette, so I'm mainly going to be using the reds and black. So I'm starting off by using the matte version of the red. It looks slightly orange on camera, but it is actually a dark red going over the eyeshadow to create the cut crease. And so I'm going to be using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and just an angled brush, kind of a little bit on my hand, and then I just go in with the brush. Once you have the outline, you just fill it in with the concealer. You just pat everything in. Both of them aren't that similar, but I'm gonna clean it up with some makeup wipes anyway. Adding some glitter. So I am using this glittery red. But it goes from kind of matte to a kind of glittery shimmery colour. And now I'm just gonna add black. The trick is to just keep blending it. Go back with the red just to blend it in. So it looks a bit intense, but I'm gonna do the other side. To help darken it a little bit, I'm gonna add a little bit of some black eyeliner just to help emphasize the dark bit. Wipes to clean it up a little bit. Some red and a bit of black underneath my eye. A little bit of highlight in the corner of the eye. It wouldn't be a Euphoria look without some gems, and I have got a bit of glitter on the eyeshadow as well, but I've got some gems, and I think I read somewhere that you can use eyelash glue to glue them down, so I'm just gonna put some glue on some of these and then try and stick them on. Finish off my face and then come back, did my face, and it's just the same thing I normally do, and you can see it in the videos. And I just lined my lips now, so I'm just gonna take a dark purple eyeshadow and use that to make a dark lip. use the eyelash glue and it is really, really sticky. So this is the overall look. I'm filming it a bit late, so I just skipped this step of me doing my foundation. Hopefully the main point of the video came across. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for new videos and I'll see you very soon. And you did it right from the start.